Wait, where do you want to be? It's gonna be a video of us setting up the camera. Usually we don't do videos of us setting up the camera. But
yeah, we usually don't.
So that's where you want to stand. Where do you want to stand?
This is the hardest part. This is the hardest part of making a video.
Yeah, seriously, guys.
So, I ate Cheetos.
We're gonna be eating Cheetos, apparently.
Yes.
Cheetos. That's what makes you messed up the freaking camera.
See, this is why.
Okay, perfect. I think that is good. Cheeto challenge, Cheeto challenge.
Cheeto challenge.
4. Eat all of them at the same time.
Oh, Cheeto challenge.
5.
Oh.
5. I'm gonna eat 5. I'm gonna eat 5. That is spicy. That is freaking spicy.
Broom, broom.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, it actually hurt. It actually, it's really hot if you laugh.
Ha 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 ha. Oh my goodness. This is the best laugh 2013. Ha 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 ha.
Broom, broom.
You just messed up the camera. You messed up the freaking broom broom camera.
We suck at recording.
Secret note.
Broom, broom. Broom, broom. Basically, we do not know what this video is, so we're just gonna wait.
Or what?
For rated YOLO. So we did that before. We never
And
did
we
it
actually
again.
did edit it, so it sucks.
It sucks.
Messed it up. I thought it was messed up.